Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. It seems to be an easy one, so let's proceed further. First, I'll do a simple thing, body. Also, let's change the color to this one. Now let's give star background, and the background will be the darker one, so this. Switch on the difference and let's give it some margin. 100 60 and maybe 120 130. Okay, so the width will be increased to maybe 140, yeah, and the height will be maybe 160 180. So now we can remove the background color because we would be giving that color to the divs we will make. We can also remove the closing tag for style. Let's bring it all in a single line. But first, let's make the divs. Okay, so first of all, I'll give a div its height because it is same as the height of the body. So copy, my bad. It automatically switched to the other keyboard, so now I can paste it here. It's pasted, and A and B will also have some similar properties such as position, fixed, then comes background, which will be this color. Now it's turn for the A div to be given some individual properties. Firstly, we need to give width. I think the width will be around 60. Yeah, it is correct. And we need not give it any other property. Now the next properties are for B. B will have first of all width. Its width and height will be same. So let's also give this property. In the common one, B. So simply there is no requirement for A to have a property that is exclusive to it. Now it's turn for height, which will again be 60. Then border, which will be, I think, 20 pixels. And it will be of solid in this dark color. So we can also give it some margin, which will be of obviously -20. Now we need to give it some border radius. So the border radius will be, I think, 90%. No, not this way. I mean 0, 0, 90% and 0. No, maybe 80. Quite close. So 81, 82, 81.5. 81 alone does the work. Also, we need to give it the box shadow. So the box shadow will be, and the box shadow will be 64 Q and 0. Okay, I did something else. Okay, apparently we need another div. C. And we can remove this. So this box shadow will be given as the exclusive property of A. So V. And we need to give it some more values, so 7, 8. Also we haven't given the color, my bad. So color, this is the color we need for, so a little difference, maybe 85.5, 4, 3, 2, 1, maybe 84 point something, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I'll do now is B and C will have some similar properties now, which will obviously be sizes. Okay, so apparently we need to add C also, comma C. So height, border, and even margin X, V. The margin will be a little bit different, but we need to give margin. So okay, let's keep the margin back where it was. V. So C, margin, that's the first thing I'll do. So the margin should be 120. I meant 0 and 120. No. So 120 minus 60 will be obviously 60. And this will be minus 20. And again we need to give border, radius 0, 0, 0, and how much was it? 81%. Let's submit it. Okay, it is a 100% match. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.